It's Friday Souls. It's Friday Souls. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I made this week in my sewing room, please stay tuned. Hello, everybody. I hope that you had a fabulous week. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Shalisa, and you have tuned in to Sew She Designs. This is Friday Souls. We'd like to say thank you to Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room for creating this hashtag where sewers can come on and share what we're working on in our sewing room and a little bit about life. Well, guys, I have a very short video this week. I have been sewing behind the scenes and I have so much to show you guys, but today I'm only going to be able to show you one of the items, which is the item that I am wearing. So I made Simplicity 8982, and I'll put a picture on the screen. And I made this top, and I created View C, the one that the model is wearing. I am in love with this top. This is very nice. Excuse me, a very cozy top. I highly recommend it. It says it is easy to sew, and I totally agree. There are 5 pieces to this, and the sleeve has 2 pieces. So you have the long cuff and this one for this view. You have the nape band, the front and the back. Very easy. And then you just put a hem on the bottom. I'm considering making this again, and then I think I want to put a band on the bottom to make it kind of blousy, like a sweatshirt at the bottom. So that is what I've been working on this week. I wanted to go over a couple lessons that I learned. Well, a lesson that I learned this week as well. When when you're starting off sewing and you're watching tutorials, I don't know about you, but me, I just assume that you just cut out the pattern piece that you identify with based on your body measurements. Well, I have been reading this book. Let me get that book. So I have been reading this book, and this book is recommended. If you are a member of Sew It Academy, then you know that Mimi G recommends this book in her school. So I've had the book, and I finally took the time to just take it out and sit it next to me and use it as just a read, like a novel or whatever. I said, I'm going to read this book thoroughly because I've been having fitting issues. And when I tell you this book is fantastic, this is Fit for Real People by Patty Palmer and Marta Alto. This is a wonderful, wonderful book. What I learned this week was how to tissue fit. And I can't say that I'm doing it perfectly. However, the last 4 garments that I have made have fit the way that I want them to fit just by doing this tissue method, and I love it. There's another book that I want to purchase. I think it's about um, the perfect fit for pants or something. I don't know the name, but I will put the picture up there. But when I say I recommend this book, I highly recommend this book. This is an awesome book. It's very thorough. They give details. They give details on different body types. This is like the sewing Bible for me right now. I am going to buy the pants fitting book, but I think that's by Patty Palmer and the other lady, the Fleisch lady. But anyway, like I said, I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see it. But this book has helped me out tremendously. Even though this is a knit, and knits are forgiving, don't get me wrong. And I still have yet to go to the woven side. But when I'm finished with a pattern, this is what my pattern looks like now. Because I had to make adjustments to fit my body. The armhole was fine, but I still had this extra meat right here. And I had to make adjustments to fit that. So my patterns have been looking like this now. And I'm very happy and very satisfied. I'm very satisfied with how they look. I'm over the moon. I know some people believe in making muslin, and that's fine. Sometimes I have made what I call a wearable muslin because you want to see how the garment is going to fit. But sometimes I also feel like that's creating the garment twice. If that's not your intentions, why do it? Do the tissue fit? Anyway, it was perfect. I also watched a video by Mari from Mari Sews for Curves. I will link that video and her channel in my description box. She gives a very detailed overview of how to do the pinning, which was perfect. It very helpful. So like I said, I recommend the book. I'm going to put Mari's video in the bottom in the description so you guys can go and look at it for yourself and make adjustments to see if this is something that you would like for yourself. Now, before I go, I would like to show you something that I found at the thrift store. So I'm thrifting at the Goodwill bins. If you don't know what the Goodwill bins, they call it the Goodwill outlet, but they literally bring stuff out in bins or long tables, and you have to look through it to find something. So I'm on the shoe table, and mind you, I have this fabric at home to sew up this shirt. And look what I found, guys. And then they haven't been worn. How cute is that? So I wear this with like a pair of jeans or something else. I won't wear them today, but I just thought that was just, that's like one in a million finds that you find that something actually matches your fabric. But I just thought that was really, really cute. That's going to be really cute. But anyway, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Before I go, don't forget, you are so special to me. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate my new subscribers, as well as those who have been here from the beginning and who keep coming and returning and supporting my channel. You guys are awesome, and I really, really appreciate you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification button and make sure you go to the one that says all, so you will get all of the videos that I post and you'll get a notification to your account when I post a video. With that said and done, I hope that you guys are sewing something awesome. If not, keep watching other people sew something awesome. And as always, have a great day. Bye-bye.